The biotechnology and biomaterials field is continually exploding with new advancements, and graphene is no exception. Due to graphene's readily bindable surface, a plethora of molecules can be attached to the carbon sheet, vastly changing its properties. By binding the correct molecules to the surface, the graphene sheet can pass through the cell membrane. This is extremely promising for drug delivery, especially in cancer treatment. Researchers attach molecules favored by certain tumor cells to the graphene, allowing the medicine to specifically target that tumor. Additionally, the graphene's high electrical conductivity makes it an excellent biosensor. Polypeptide chains and other materials can bind to the transistors made of the graphene, and the resulting change in electrical resistance can identify the presence of specific molecules. This method can be used to identify the presence of extremely sparse pathogens very early in the treatment process because of the heightened sensitivity of graphene sensors. I'm sure everyone here, whether it be from an online article or word of mouth, has heard of at least one fact about graphene that seemed too unbelievable to be true. It is no secret that there are a lot of bold claims about graphene, some of which we have just highlighted in our presentation. But can these be trusted? Perhaps the hardest concept to grasp is that graphene is stronger than steel. How could this be possible? Does this mean that we're going to start to replace steel with this two-dimensional pencil smudge material? To put it into perspective, graphene strength is on the atomistic scale and comes from the atomic bonds between the carbon atoms. The samples measured for these values are micrometers to millimeters in size. On the other hand, steel strength comes from the macromolecular interactions between large groups of atoms. The specimen sizes are centimeters to meters long. As of now, it is uncertain how graphene strength will transition to larger sample size, and there might be new discoveries once manufacturing has made this possible. One area where graphene strength might be readily applicable, however, is in bulletproof vest technology. Microballistic tests have shown graphene to be highly resistant to projectiles. If developed properly, scattered sheets of graphene could be used instead of Kevlar, reducing the weight and increasing the effectiveness of personal safety gear. Other than strength, graphene is also mostly known for its extremely high electrical conductivity, being labeled as a zero bandgap semiconductor. It has blown past silicon in terms of transistor speed, holding the current record at 427 gigahertz, nearly an order of magnitude faster than what is possible with today's processors. On the surface, it might seem like graphene is going to become the new standard. If we have this new wonder material, why are we still using silicon in our computer chips? While graphene excels in being fast, it has difficulty terminating a connection. It is just too conductive, and this backwards leakage makes for a poor transistor for everyday applications. As such, silicon is going nowhere. As you might have noticed, a lot of graphene's wonder capabilities are currently limited by its production methods. Up next, we have a key to discuss the future of mass production of graphene.